Welcome to Parenting Tips
and
Baby Care. Remember to
subscribe.
and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Parenting Tips
And
Baby Care. Incredible benefits of breastfeeding for babies and mothers that you should know about. Breastfeeding offers a wide range of benefits for both babies and mothers. Here's a breakdown of these amazing advantages. For babies, optimal nutrition. Breast milk is perfectly designed to meet the nutritional needs of infants. It contains the right balance of fat, protein, vitamins, and carbohydrates to support healthy growth and development. Boosts immunity. Breast milk is rich in antibodies, especially in the early days colostrum. These antibodies help protect babies from infections, reducing their risk of illnesses like respiratory infections, diarrhea, and ear infections. Promotes healthy brain development. Breast milk contains DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, a fatty acid crucial for brain and eye development. Studies suggest that breastfed babies have a slightly higher IQ. Improves digestive health. Breast milk is easier to digest than formula. It also contains enzymes and beneficial bacteria that help establish a healthy gut microbiome, which is important for digestion and immunity. Emotional bonding. The act of breastfeeding fosters a deep emotional connection between mother and baby, providing comfort, warmth, and security for the infant. Lower risk of chronic conditions. Breastfeeding reduces the likelihood of chronic health problems later in life, such as obesity, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, asthma, and allergies. Lower risk of SIDS. Research shows that breastfeeding is linked to a reduced risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. For mothers, faster postpartum recovery. Breastfeeding helps the uterus contract and return to its pre-pregnancy size more quickly, reducing postpartum bleeding. The hormone oxytocin released during breastfeeding also promotes bonding. Weight loss. The energy spent on producing milk can help mothers lose pregnancy weight faster. Breastfeeding burns around 300 to 500 calories a day. Enhanced emotional well-being. Breastfeeding can promote a sense of well-being and reduce the risk of postpartum depression. The release of hormones like oxytocin during breastfeeding promotes relaxation and a sense of calm. Reduced risk of certain cancers. Studies have shown that breastfeeding reduces the risk of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and uterine cancer in mothers. The longer a woman breastfeeds, the greater the reduction in risk. Natural birth control. While not 100% reliable, exclusive breastfeeding can delay the return of menstruation and act as a natural contraceptive, especially in the first 6 months postpartum. Strengthens bonding. Breastfeeding enhances the emotional connection between mother and baby, which can contribute to positive maternal mental health. Cost-effective. Breastfeeding is free, saving families the cost of formula, bottles, and other feeding supplies. Overall health benefits for both. Environmental impact. Breastfeeding is eco-friendly as it doesn't require manufacturing, packaging, or transportation, unlike formula feeding. This reduces the environmental footprint. Convenience. Breastfeeding requires no preparation and is available anytime, anywhere, making it the most convenient feeding method. Conclusion. Breastfeeding provides incredible health, emotional, and environmental benefits for both babies and mothers. It plays a crucial role in laying the foundation for a healthy start in life for infants and has long-lasting positive effects for mothers as well. Thanks for watching. Please like,
share, and
subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.